Hello, thanks for your interest in our project, Direct Air Capture of Water and Carbon Dioxide, which is a comprehensive solution for desert area. And here is the demo for our project. The background for this project is about climate change. Climate change affects all regions around the world, and it's agreement with all nations on Earth that we should do something about that. And nowadays, there is more and more investment into this area. And there's lots of aspects we can do to deal with the climate change. And our product specifically target as desert areas. Deserts make up 33% of the land surface area. Those lands are large but unused. The reason for people cannot live on this land is mainly because the temperature difference is very large. During the night, it's extremely cold, and during the day, it's extremely hot. And also there's not enough water and food supply for this area as well. However, those large temperature differences is not always a bad thing. As a matter of fact, chemical engineering uses temperature difference to absorb gases. It's a basic physical law that gas tend to absorb into material when the temperature is low, and tend to dissolve from the material when the temperature is relatively high. A vivid example is when you heat up your soda, the carbon dioxide absorbed into soda tends to dissolve from your soda. So based on this very simple principle, we design our potential products. And here's the processes for our products. So there's two circles. The first circle is during the night. The water and carbon dioxide in the air will absorb it into our material, which is small graphite mixture, which is our product. And during the day, when the temperature increases, the absorbed water and the carbon dioxide will be released back to the atmosphere in a more condensed way we can use. And these processes can be used in greenhouse in desert. As we all know, the growth of plants need water and carbon dioxide. And by doing these processes just mentioned in the last slides, we can provide reliable source for plant to grow. And also it transfers the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere into food supply in desert area. One problem for traditional chemical processes is usually the chemical factory is very large and needs very high investment to build a factory. However, for the process I mentioned, the only thing related to chemical engineering is to synthesize the material, and the investment is really low, especially in the startup stage. We can do all things just in a lab without more investment. And here's our current team, and we're expecting more experienced members to join us. And thanks for your interest again.